everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry, are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort in Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're still in our home here in Tulare, California, loving care, assisted living, taking care of the elderly. Because of the Chinese Wuhan Kung Flu thing. So we're doing these vlogs, and we have a special vlog for you today because it's from our day use guests over the past weekend. We are open for business, and adults are 100 pesos, children are half price, and infant is free. Seniors and students with proper photo ID, 20% discount. And then we have day use cottages starting at 300 pesos for all day. So take advantage of that. We have a beautiful resort we want to share with you, and we hope you can visit us soon. But if not, just stay in touch with these videos, and we'll be happy to share all of the beautiful resort with you. We have promos for check-in, as low as 500 pesos per night for a fan room for two, 1,000 pesos per night for aircon with breakfast for two. And you can get those promos by messaging us on Facebook message account on Virgin Beach Resort, and also on our website, which we'll give a link to below. When you make a reservation there, and if you want to pay with a credit card, you can do that on our website. So we do hope that you'll be there at our resort soon and visit us soon. We do have some special videos coming up, and we'll be sharing those with you. Blast from the past, where we show some videos from previous years when I did tours to the Philippines, and we used the resort as a beach party and also for overnight. We bought the property in 1993 and started construction in 1994. Had day use there at the beach, no swimming pool. 1994, first overnight guest. 1995, and we've been adding step by step, building the hotel, cottages, and other amenities throughout the years. And we'll be explaining more about that in some upcoming videos. We have a special promo for those people who do vlogs, videographers, photographers, and droners. So contact me, and we'll give you a special promo for what you can do for us and what we can do for you. In the meantime, enjoy the video. Be sure and subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Inyong resibo niya, ha? Resibo niya, ha? Isa din ako sa picture ng slide eh.
What time is it?
Don't wait.
Uy, ba-apple ko!
Binigda. Ay, isa. Ano ng tubig? Ay po. Ay po. Binigda. Lan.
Sige.
Play.
Ya kada sige. Ate sa mo hilak ga. Nga naman to ka ate. Dito maligo. Ha? Eh tag sa nang bulak. Oh, gawin na cellphone na. Scott na good kay list ka ma. Mabate na dali picture mo na.
Kung ika'y naliligo, narito ako sa isang teknikan buhay. Ito ay wasot at usap.